I'm currently at the home of the Jacksonville Jaguars, which is otherwise known as Everbank Stadium. This is the largest NFL renovation in history of any stadium. So it brings a lot of challenges. Currently we have over 750 employees working during the day. We have another 90 working at night. It's around the clock.
So visibility of the project is our biggest challenge. This is a large stadium site and it's impossible for one person to be everywhere at one time. We've introduced an autonomous drone program to address that challenge. It's an autonomous drone that is stored inside of a dock that is climate controlled. So that dock opens up and essentially the drone launches from that dock, goes and flies its mission, the dock closes. When the drone is done on its mission, it returns back to the dock, lands itself, the dock closes back. It continues to cool or warm that drone, recharge the drone and have it ready in a really short amount of time for its next mission. So the introduction of the autonomous drone program allows us to fly multiple times a day on a preset schedule, and we're able to regularly capture and deliver that data. It's absolutely necessary on a project of this scale and complexity. Every Friday we have a scheduling update meeting, and this has been a really useful tool during those meetings. We have all of the project leadership and superintendents in the room. We have the P6 schedule on one monitor and the live drone flying on the other monitor. So we're getting real-time updates of progress, and it really provides an unprecedented level of real-time information to keep the schedule progressing and on track. We don't implement the autonomous drone just because it's new. We deliver it because of the results that it provides. So it must be results driven and it must help you to get the project done in a better, faster way.
I think we're understanding where maybe we didn't 20 years ago that you must change, right? You must adapt to new technology to be more productive in your workspace, right? To make us more productive, efficient, and successful. At the end of the day, they all wrap up to being successful.
I think it's important for the next generation to see our current approaches to new technology, be able to learn from those implementations and processes to keep driving forward into the future.
You really need to embody yourself within that culture and with that innovation. And so it's really up to every team member here, to understand it, to sell it, right, and to live it.